Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have our second Causebox Fall 2020 spoiler, so let's give it a look. So for a quick overview, if you are new to Causebox, it is a lifestyle box. It comes out seasonally and it is $54.95 or $49.95 if you sign up annually. With Causebox, you will only have customization choices if you sign up for annual. If you are a seasonal member in each of the categories, they will select the product for you and it will come in your box. I will put my link below and it will get you $10 off your first box if you have any interest in checking it out. Okay, spoilers. We've had our first spoiler and I'll review that really quickly at the end of this video. But for our second spoiler, they gave us 2 items from the same company. So I went out to check out the company and see what I can find, and there just wasn't a lot of information, but let me tell you what I did find. In this category, you will receive one of 2 items. And again, if you're an annual, you get to select, and actually you have 2 choices which to select because you get to select the item and then the color. But if you are a seasonal, they will select for you what you will receive. In this category, you will have 2 choices, and both of them come from Bathen, B-A-T-H-E-N. That's the name of the company. The first is a Waffle Bathrobe, and you will choose between charcoal and mint. And the second item is waffle towels. And again, as an annual, you will decide whether you want the robe or the towels, and you will decide whether you want charcoal or mint in either. They say that both items are 100% ethically made in India from 100% cotton. It is hand woven to allow airflow that allows them to dry incredibly fast. Get the robe or the 4-piece towel set. If you choose the towel set, you will receive 2 bath towels and 2 hand towels. The bathrobe, at least thus far, they have not addressed sizing on this. So as soon as they address sizing, I will be sure and let you guys know. But so far, they haven't done any sizing. It's probably just a one-size robe, so we just have to find what they consider the range. You know, if it's 2 to 16 or 4 to 18. As soon as we know, I will let you guys know. When I went out looking for information about these products, I found the company, and they have a website and they sell several things. They sell robes, hair wraps, bags, and scrunchies to match, but none of them were this waffle fabric. It's definitely worth going over and checking out the site. They have some lovely fabrics, and they work with India and Guatemala to get these hand-woven fabrics. They are so pretty, but none of them are this product. But the website says about Bathen, it is a socially conscious after bath brand that connects traditional artistry with the modern trend of styling every moment, including stepping out of the shower. So that would explain why they've done towels and bathrobes, but these products aren't listed on their site. Causebox tells us that it is a $90 value, and it didn't differentiate, so I guess the robe is $90 and the 4-piece set is $90. So that is our second spoiler. You will get either the bathrobe or the towels, and that's 2 bath towels and 2 hand towels, and you will get them in either mint or charcoal. And if you are an annual, you will get to select which item and which color you would like it in. So that is what we have now, and as soon as we have more spoilers, I'll be back to let you know. If you missed the first spoiler, I'll show you that right here real quickly, but if you didn't, I'll see you guys soon. The first spoiler they gave us is between 2 much smaller products, and again, if you were an annual, you get to choose which of these you want, and if you're seasonal, it will be selected for you. The first item was the Green Company set of 10 reusable facial rounds, and the second item was the Buzzy Seeds Basil Grow Kit. So you will choose between those if you are an annual, and if you are seasonal, it will be selected for you. That is what we know so far about our Fall 2020 Causebox. Let me know below what you guys think. They started small with those rounds and basil seeds, but I feel like they've really stepped it up. I can't wait to find out what size that bathrobe is because I need it to go up to a 16. Just saying, just for me. So hopefully we'll find out sizing soon. Okay, again, let me know below what you guys think. Did the bathrobe make it more exciting for you? Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I will see you really soon as we have more spoilers. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of them, and I will see you guys really soon. Take care.